Lie down! Lie down! Lie down! Lie down! Lie down! Everybody! Everybody lie down! Lie down, everybody! Lie down! See the way she's sleeping. She don't even have respect for people. Thieves. Check her. Wait. What's that? What's that? Otapia. Eh? Go. Hey. Wait. Carry her. Hospital.
Miss Mercy, I understand this heartbreak really affected you. Heartbreak is not the end of the world. Because a man breaks your heart doesn't mean you should take your life. You are a beautiful young lady and you still have a long way to go. You have a lot of men that will still come your way. Many you will accept, many you will refuse. So this one person shouldn't be the reason you want to take your life. Imagine if you had actually traveled to the other way. Please. Heartbreak is meant to be felt. Pains are meant to be felt. Miss Mercy, please, you need to take it easy on yourself. Heartbreak is not the end of the world. Last, now everybody go chop breakfast.
Shayu.
Oh, please, you need to calm down, okay? Yeah, please. Take care of yourself. And use your medication. Excuse me, sir, please. Who are you to her?
Senior brother, junior brother.
You are brother. Yes! Please, help me put high on her. Make sure she's fine and okay.
Come. Who is your sister?
Hey. We are sorry. You know, we have to accept we are your brother so that the doctor can allow you go. You understand?
But wait. How did you guys enter this house?
You know, this morning when I was passing, my spirit keep telling me, enter this house, someone need your help, enter this house, someone need your help, enter this house, someone need your help. So I said, no, I can't do it alone. I called my friend. I said, come and accompany me. There's somebody in this house God wants us to go and rescue.
That's how we ended up here.
That's how we ended up here. We love helping people. The Lord lead me to you. So we entered the house to come and rescue
That's
you.
how we rescue people.
That's what we do for a living. Abi? Quick. Our work go. Sorry, don't be angry. I noticed you'll be putting on uniform. Are you a secondary school student?
I'm not a secondary school student. Just that my boyfriend, my ex-boyfriend, is a teacher. He teaches in one of the secondary schools. Okay. So I wore this uniform to go surprise him. But when I got there, I was the one that was surprised. But he was sleeping with one of his students.
Don't say that lie. This lie don't spoil you. Hey, that's bad. I don't support that kind of thing. How will you be sleeping with secondary school student as a teacher? Hey, sorry, Hey, don't worry. Thank God you said it's your ass. I'm the right man for you. So let me tell you, I'm a heart keeper. I keep people heart for a living. Give me your heart and I will keep it for you. Just accept to be my girlfriend and I will keep your heart for you.
Yeah.
You understand?
And real life is a goalkeeper, so you keep things.
You understand? I keep. And
Hope you will not break my heart.
no, I will not break your heart. You understand? I won't break your heart. I have your number now, So I will call you later or check up on you later. just looking at you. Sorry, eh? Hi. Merci, merci. Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup, merci.
In my place, merci beaucoup means you are plenty.
Thank you.
Eat, oh. Eat.
I think I like it.
Chop, oh.
So funny.
Florida. Sabalo. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? I came to see the love of my life. Who is the love of your life? She's the Lomla. I know. Are you mad? What's the meaning of that? The love of my life. You are calling the love of your life. The love of your life. Are you normal? That is a lie. Who is your love? Is it normal?
Yeah, he's correct. We are now dating.
I don't understand. How come?
Wait, but you have a girlfriend. And he is single.
Yes.
So, we are compatible. We are dating now. So, I chose him.
Choose me. Who is single?
Flawless.
I don't have a girlfriend though. I'm single. It's lying. No. What of favor? Yeah. Who told you I have a girlfriend?
That did.
Tell us I get a girlfriend. I know I hate lies. Abi? Eh. That's what you are saying, Abi? What of Riri? Riri? Yes. Who be Riri? Oh, who be Riri? I don't know any Riri. Shut up! You get a girlfriend though? I don't get though. You get? Who be my girlfriend? Riri and her girlfriend. Riri never go Ghana. She don't go Ghana now. She don't go Ghana. Nala, I see her today. I see her today for your house. Today we'll break up. Today we'll break up. She can't book flight, come first, go Accra. Nala! You are a bad person. You are a bad person. So, you don't call him my babe. Don't be call him. He has favor. Favor is in his life. It's just Riri. He has favor.
Wait. Hold on. Like, the two of you have girlfriends.
No. I don't have.
I'm single.
He have. I don't have. Oh.
Out.
Eh?
Use the exit.
I love you.
Leave my house.
I love you.
No.
Babe.
No.
Sabalo, let me go. Yeah.
Men are wicked. I will never give my heart to any man except Jesus Christ.